Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, I will show you how I play my favorite part of the soundtrack of the motion picture Gladiator, the battle. We won't be learning the entire track, just the best sounding minute of it. And that part will sound like this. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key is G minor. We'll start with the chords, but to keep this easy so that we can play easy chords, we've got a capo at fret 3. We'll start with an E minor chord. We'll go to D, E minor, E minor, D, E minor, E minor, C, D, B minor 11, E minor, C, D, E minor. Now when we play that B minor 11, we put our finger on the A string at fret 2 away from the capo, the G string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 3, and strum from the A string. That's a B minor 11, the only odd chord in the bunch. Okay? For the next part of the song, we'll play the chords this way. E minor, C, D, E minor, E minor, C, D, E minor. So with the E minor, we went down 4 times, and an up strum on the C, D, down strum 4 times, up strum on the E minor, E minor down 4 times, up strum on the C, the D, 3 down strums, and then the E minor 1 down strum to end the entire sequence. Here we go. Now it's time to learn the guitar melody, and it'll sound something like this. We'll play the guitar melody without a capo. And the first melody we'll play will sound like this. For that one, we went to fret 3 on the B string, fret 5 on the D string, the G string, fret 2, 3, back to fret 5 on the D string, fret 3 on the G string, fret 2, back to fret 5 on the D string, fret 3, fret 5 on the A string, and then finish at fret 5 on the D string. Once again. And that's melody 1. Melody 2 will sound like this. For melody 2, we'll play fret 5 on the D string twice, fret 2 on the G string, fret 3, back to fret 5 on the D string, back to fret 3 on the G string, 3 again, 2, and then finish on the D string, fret 3 to 5. So that's here's melody number 3. For that one, we went to fret 3 on the B string, down to 5 on the D string, back to the G string, fret 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5 on the D string, 5 again, 3, and finish on the A string, fret 5. One more time. And here's melody number 4. We started on fret 5 on the D string, go to the G string, 2, 3, 4 on the B string, 5 on the D string, fret 3 on the G string, 2, 5 on the D string, 3, and 5. Once again. For melody number 5, and that was 3 on the B string, the G string 3, back to the B string 3, 3, 4, fret 5 on the G string, and then 3 on the B string. So again, and our last melody to take it away with is going to be So that was 3 on the B string, the 3 on the G string, back to the B string 3, 3, 4. Fret 6 3 times, and then 8. So here we go. Now here's the entire thing, played through slowly. Well, my friends, that's how I play my favorite part of The Battle from the Gladiator soundtrack. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.